Hi guys, Matthew here. Let's talk about this book, Eliminate Cortisol Triggers, and we're going to talk about the benefits to reading it. Uncover your personal trigger profile, restore natural energy patterns, sleep better tonight, break the stress fatigue cycle, gain mental clarity, build lasting resilience, and see real life success. Let's kick off with the first one. Uncover your personal trigger profile. Identify specific habits, foods, and environmental factors causing your cortisol spikes with easy to use tracking tools. Restore natural energy patterns. Replace any replace energy draining routines with simple alternatives that support your body's natural hormonal balance. Sleep better tonight. Learn the pre-bed ritual that naturally lowers cortisol and promotes deep and restorative sleep. Break the stress fatigue cycle. Discover how small daily adjustments can prevent the cortisol cascade that leaves you absolutely exhausted. Gain mental clarity. Eliminate the hormonal fluctuations that create brain fog and poor concentration. Build lasting resilience. Develop a personalized framework that helps your body respond appropriately to stress levels without harmful cascadal cortisol overload. See real life success. Learn from others who have transformed their health by identifying and eliminating those unique cortisol triggers. Take care and have a great day.